Hey everybody, Greg with Drifter Journey. We got Jess over here. We got Lupe down here. We are back with another video for you. And this is going to be a good one. We're going to take our tuned camper here and do some cold weather camping and hunting at the same time. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and if you purchase anything through our links in the description, it does help support us. Couple updates for the camp though. We added the insulation package on the camper, on the Tune, and we are trying out the Hcalory diesel heater on this trip. We are currently doing a little rigging of that since we didn't want to mount it until we get to do some testing, and we may have some other heater stuff in the works. So we're gonna give it a whirl. It's been getting down into the, I don't know, it's probably upper 20s. So we're gonna sit out here, hope the deer roll through. If you've been following, you know that Lupe has an injury, even though she doesn't look like it right now. Something's wrong with her hip, so she can't really go up and down the ramp or stairs, so she might struggle, and we may not be out here super long. But we are mostly set up. We had to move the heater, and we're still setting up, so we'll get it figured. Yeah, no, actually, look on the bed. It's a mess. So we're not set up yet, but we are in the process of setting up, so stay tuned. We're going to be out here for 3 days to start. The season is what, 9 or 10 days, so 3 days, and then the weather's supposed to go real bad, so depending on Jess working, we might roll home for a bit, and I might go out solo. Let's just see what happens.
Yeah,
You just have to watch. Getting cold fast. I'm doing a camp staple here. It's probably the giant bucket home right now.
yeah, probably. Grab my phone.
Our phones are buzzing. That cameras, probably the cameras at home are going off. But yeah, so just a little sausage on a pre-made
Bag salad
kit.
And a sound detected.
Wow.
It's just going to night
It's
mode.
just going into night mode. No bucks yet.
No.
But we're going to probably have to fire the heater up pretty quick. Lupe got to eat. She's pretty stoked. She got her pills. We just got to figure out how to get her inside. Come on.
Come here, sweetie. Lupe, come.
It's fine. Come on.
Come here. It's okay.
Come here.
Come here.
Up here.
You can do it. It's okay.
Good girl.
Come on, honey.
Go on.
Come on. It's
Go
okay.
on.
It's okay.
There you go.
Good job. Good girl. Good morning. We are up early. It's cold outside. The heater did keep us pretty warm in here. It's kind of a mess. Lupe's down on the floor because we can't get her up in the bed right now, but she seems okay with that. We are getting ready to go out and find a deer. How do you feel about this? There were people driving by at 4:30 in the morning, and 5 in the morning, and 5:30 in the morning. So it's busy out here.
Yeah.
But hopefully we can hike off the road a little bit and find something.
So we saw a nice 4x4 buck on the ridgeline. So we are now on the ridgeline.
Yeah, and now he's moving and we're moving and we don't know where he's at.
We lost him. He was like 400 yards out from us when we started to try and make our way up here. So we're gonna check over here and see if we can find him. If not, I don't know when.
We just spooked 2 deer. We're not sure if they were bucks or does. So we're gonna try to sneak up and see if we can get a look. No luck. This is a very difficult terrain. These oak bushes are really tall, and the deer pop behind one and then you don't see him again. I did see 2 coyotes and 2 elk, so that was kind of cool. Where's the deer at? Do you think they already bedded down for the day?
No, I feel like they're probably still moving.
Yeah. Okay, we are back at camp. Lupe has been here by herself for a couple hours, so I'm sure she'll be happy to see us. Also, we saw some turkeys.
Tell me everything else you saw.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's talk about today's video sponsor, Epic Water Filters. We love them because they are working hard to eliminate single-use plastic bottles as well as provide clean drinking water for people across the world. You can shop their household products such as this countertop filter, their in-fridge pitcher, and an under-sink mounted filter that taps into your countertop, as well as Nalgene bottles in 1 and 1.5 liters with awesome graphics. There's a ton to choose from, and interchangeable filters that are made in the USA. They make a tap water filter, which is great for everyday use. If you're looking for something for travel or the outdoors, you can get their Everywhere filter, which filters out more particulates and bacteria, etc. Shop the link in the description below and use the code DRIFTERJOURNEY for a discount.
I hear the tail wagging. Hi, sweetie.
Well, you've been sleeping.
Hi. Oh, how are you? Do you want to come out? Did you do good? You're such a good dog. We just had a little bit of breakfast. Greg is going to take the side-by-side up the road, and I'm going to hang out here with Lupe for a bit. But I wanted to talk to you guys about the heater a little bit because we used it all night, and it looks like there's quite a bit of fuel in there still.
You see it? Oh, you can see it there. My
So-
dum-dum went like this morning.
Well,
I was like,
that works too.
quite a bit left.
So, yeah, we did run it all night.
We ran it on level 2 of 6 most of the night. And then first thing this morning, I cranked it up to 6 for the last hour or so to try
While
and
we were
warm it
getting
up
ready.
more.
Yeah.
Yep.
And since the unit is out here, the little remote fob thing has come in handy quite a bit.
Oh, yeah.
So if you're in a situation like us where you're putting the heater outside, it does come with this little remote, and it's simply on, off, plus, minus for the settings, and it seems to work pretty good.
Yeah, we're fine from there.
Yeah. So if you're in the market for a little
Diesel heater.
diesel heater that's
Check out
kind
the
of
Hcalory.
temporary setup like this, it worked all right. All right, Greg's gonna hit the road and see what he can see out there. Guess it's a good thing I'm not coming, huh?
Yeah. Solid. We were looking at the nice couple $100 case in the rear. If you guys want to send one, we'll test it out for you.
Oh, this
But
works
for
out
now,
good.
it's going.
See ya. You made it. This is our glassing spot just above camp. I can see a whole hillside and up this nice meadow. So while Greg's gone, I'm just going to sit here and see if I can see anything moving. How is your drive down to the end of the road?
Oh, it looks promising back there.
Yeah?
It's a little gnarly. Side by side, I was on 2 wheels a bunch.
And you saw a tarantula?
I saw a tarantula.
That's exciting. You also saw someone who got a deer right off the road?
I saw someone that got a deer like 50 yards off the road. Another person that got one out there. They were probably 300 or 400 yards from the road.
Yeah. And here we are hiking 3 miles.
Yeah, maybe we're just supposed to sit by the car.
We're going to have some chips and salsa and figure out our evening plan. Okay, so the plan for this evening is that we split up Greg is going to stay on the knob near camp. And I am walking a little ways to a place further in that we were on this morning and felt like it was a pretty good lookout. So I am winded already. Okay guys, it is getting chilly. We are right at sunset, which is beautiful, by the way. I just saw Greg take a shot from his spot, and so I am heading back down to help him process what hopefully is a dead deer. Took me about half an hour to get up to this spot, so hopefully I can get down a little bit faster because it should be mostly downhill. I'm almost back to camp, and I was thinking it's funny how I walked and Greg stayed at camp and he got a deer, but also we were kind of saying how low our motivation level was to get a deer at sunset, because then you end up processing or field dressing a deer at night because it's gonna get dark in like half an hour, so we're not that fast. But we have headlamps and stuff, so we've done it before. It's just tiring. So alright, I'm almost to camp. We'll see if I can find Greg and his deer. Tell us all about it.
I don't know much about it yet.
Take the camera.
I shot a deer and it's getting dark, and
Hi, Lupe.
so we're gonna go try and get that taken care of.
Because of the
Because
brush.
Yeah.
I don't know if we told you guys yet, but we are used to hunting open country, and these oaks are crazy thick.
Yeah, they take one step and they disappear.
These deer just completely disappear behind a bush. So Greg, we were just talking about how difficult the shots are. It's getting dark. Looks like you guys can still see pretty good, so
Yeah, get that good low light.
we'll hope we can show you dinner.
It's not gonna move, but
You did? Looks dead.
so yeah, money shot.
Yeah, good shot, babe. Nice. Let's pull those antlers out of the
It's not
bush.
not real big. It's acceptable.
Yeah, little 3x. Yeah, turn that off for a second. Oh, I have to turn mine on.
4.
Oh yes, 4x3.
Don't discount it. Yeah. Good, decent sized body though.
Yeah.
It's 11:04 p.m. And we're back at home. If you haven't been following, I live in the garage with the dog. It's severe injuries. And
Tell them why we decided to come home though?
we came home because I wanted to get the deer in our deep freezer, but it's set as a fridge. So I wanted to keep it cool without freezing it. I'm sure it would have been fine, but we're here now. So I hope you enjoyed. Stick around for part 2, where we try to get her a deer. Thanks for watching.